How to get your IRS tax refund in less than 3 weeks. Do you know if you're getting a tax refund from the IRS? If you're getting a refund, you probably want it now, or at least as soon as possible. Maybe there are bills you need to pay, or a medical or dental procedure you need to schedule. Or there's something you really want to buy. If you file your taxes electronically with the IRS, and opt for electronic direct deposit, you can probably get your refund in less than 3 weeks. In a minute we'll tell you how to get your refund even faster, but first let's look at the details of getting your refund as early as possible in 2023. The most obvious thing you can do to get your tax refund earlier, is to file your taxes earlier. But not too early. If you file before you receive your W-2s, 1099s and other tax documentation, your return might not be correct, which could result in IRS processing delays. And don't file your taxes too close to the deadline. That's when the IRS gets the busiest, so it may take them more time to process your return. How to slow down your tax refund time. 1. Send your tax return to the IRS by snail mail. If you do, the IRS may take 8 weeks, or even longer to process your return. 2. Send your return to the IRS with mistakes in it. If your return has errors, it can gum up the works, and cause a big delay in getting your refund. Common mistakes include misspelled names, missing or inaccurate social security numbers, math mistakes, incorrect filing status, tax credit and deduction mistakes, and unsigned forms. To make sure your return is free from mistakes, here are a few things you can do. Double and triple check it yourself, before you file it. Talk to a tax expert and get answers to anything you're not sure about. Use tax software, such as TurboTax or H&R Block. Hire a tax professional to do your taxes for you. The third way to slow down your tax refund time is by claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit, or the Additional Child Tax Credit. If you claim one of these credits, the IRS can't legally provide your tax refund right away. Even if you file in January, the earliest you would be able to get your refund would be the first week of March. The best, quickest way to get your tax refund is by filing it electronically, and having the IRS do an electronic direct deposit into your checking, savings, or other financial account. Just make sure it doesn't have mistakes, and make sure you provide the correct bank account numbers for your direct deposit. With electronic filing, you don't need to worry about your return or your refund getting lost, stolen, or destroyed. And with direct electronic deposit, the IRS delivers, on average, more than 9 out of 10 refunds in less than 3 weeks. Oh, by the way, the IRS will do your direct deposit for free. The IRS will also do direct deposit even if you file your taxes after the due date. The second best, quickest way to get your tax refund. As promised, here's how to get your refund even quicker than 3 weeks, in fact usually in less than 1 day. Get a tax refund loan, also known as a refund anticipation loan. Tax refund lenders will advance you the amount of the refund that the IRS owes you, but they will subtract out their fees and interest from the amount they give you. After the IRS processes your taxes, they will direct deposit your refund to your lender's account, not to yours. If you really need that money right away, you may be okay with not getting your full refund amount. But, getting your refund right away will be expensive. It will typically cost you 10% or more of your full refund amount. A tax refund loan can also be risky. If your tax return has any mistakes, it could delay the payment of your refund to your lender. If for any reason the IRS experiences delays, you will have to pay extra interest or even penalties to your lender, until the IRS finally sends your refund to your lender. If you have any questions or concerns about getting your refund from the IRS, it's always a good idea to talk to a tax expert.
To get help with your IRS tax problems and tax questions, please talk to a qualified tax expert. You can work with a CPA, or other tax professional, where you live. Or, if you'd like to get answers to your questions quickly, about your own taxes, you can chat online now with a qualified tax expert. Just click on the link in the comments below this video.